In this video, I'll show you how to install the 4K CJ Face Retexture mod in GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition to improve CJ's character details and facial textures. Check my video description for this mod. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Go back to Game Face. Open the Game Face folder, Content, Packs. Now create a new folder and check my video description for this text. Copy the text and name it as mods folder. Once you're done, open the mods folder, then drop this mod file inside. Now you can launch the game. I show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.